Hi everyone, Kayla from Craftables here, and today we are going to be having a quick look through the uniquely creative Serendipity creative kit which have just come in. I've taken all the plastic out of everything, so let's get going. As always, we will start with the papers included in your creative kit. So we've got your cut apart sheet, which is lovely pinks. You've got beautiful flowers, you've got some tabs, some flags, some banners. Got a little bit of everything there. So we've got that one. Next up we have the watercolour cut apart sheet. So again, this is printed on that just lovely thick watercolour paper. And you've got some beautiful flowers there. So you've got that sheet as well. Those are both A4 by the way. Next up we have a 12 by 12. It's kind of like a pearlescent white. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got such a lovely shimmer to it. I hope you can see it there. So you've got one of those, and then we've also got, just pop those over there, we've also got your thick 12 by 12 cardstock in there as well. Next up we have the 12 by 12 collection pack double-sided papers. Ooh, pop those over there a wee bit. So this includes 16 double-sided patterned papers, and you get 2 of each of the 8 designs. So let's have a look front and back. Oh, that is such a pretty design. So you've got the front and back of that one. Let's put that on the top, front and back of that sheet. Again, these flowers are just stunning. Ah, so pretty! Front and back of that one. Oh, look at the bird on there. Front and back of that one, and again, look at that just beautiful sort of almost holographic looking bird. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Front and the back of that one, so they all sort of have a similar themed flower on them, but it's just stunning. Front and the back of that sheet, so you've got that beautiful motif up there and these lovely sort of pink dangling vines. It's just a beautiful collection. If you're into pinks, you are gonna love this collection. Front and the back of that one, so you've got that motif on both sides of that sheet, and then on the back you've got that sort of paneling, wallpapery, just beautiful, just beautiful. And finally, front and the back of that one, so there's your journaling cards and your sort of wordy bits and stuff like that. Very lovely. So those are all the papers included in your pack. Now let's get on to some of the embellishments. So of course your Creative Kit Club magazine is included, and as usual there is fantastic inspiration in there. That's in there as well. We've also got this embossing folder, which is kind of like a lace doily pattern. Nice and big. I think it's a regular size embossing folder, but it's that lovely thick lace pattern, so you get that one in there as well. And then we've got some laser cut words, so we've got best day ever, a laser cut word, you've got best day ever, and then you've got these two, I don't know if you can see them very well, but these two sort of gorgeous corner wood cuts, so that's in there too. Moving on to the smaller embellishments, you get a couple of these corrugated cardboard. A couple of these corrugated cardboard tags which are pre-cut for you. There's also a whole die cut there too, so you can get ribbons or whatever in there. We've got a uniquely creative sparkle pen. I believe that one's black. Now I don't know if the colours are the same in all the packs or if they're different. This one looks like it's black to me because of the top. Then we have, let's open this up and have a proper look. You've got this gorgeous lace that's included in your pack, and there's a fair amount of it actually. So you've got that. And we've got some embellishments. They are in crystal bling. So they've got that lovely sort of mermaid-esque pearlescence to them. Of course, you've got your giant pack of creative cuts, which are always fantastic, always super, super useful. I love the creative cuts. I always use all of them. Got this really cute little acrylic stamp, which has got words sort of embedded in all of the lines. So you've got laugh, inspire, smile, happiness, live. So that's a really cute little acrylic stamp. I like that. Now this is probably my favorite thing. Tiny little heart and metal stickers. They are so, so cute, and you get so many in that pack. These are really, really dainty. I love them. And we've got a mark making stencil. Sorry about that. So that's an interesting addition. I haven't seen those before. That's really cool. That'd be good fun to play around with. So you get that one in there too. And then we've got a 50 pack of paper doilies, so it looks like they come in 2 separate sizes, which is really nice. It's always good to have options. So you've got 50 of those. And then we've got another packet of the sort of cheesecloth baby muslin in there for you as well. So let's lay it all out so you can see it all together. Ready? So this is all of it, guys. This is the Uniquely Creative Serendipity Creative Kit Collection. This is everything you get in the pack. There is so, so much in here, and there's so much to love about it. If you are into pinks and purples and just really lovely florally things, this is such a beautiful collection. I will definitely be getting one and having a good play around. But that's all I've got to say for you today. This is now available on our website, which will be linked in the description box below if you're interested. Check it out. Anyway, that's it from me. I'm going to go get crafty, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.